In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or align anything in Microsoft Word. Whether it's images, text boxes, shapes, or charts, knowing how to position elements precisely can make your documents look professional, polished, and easy to read. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know all the tips and tricks to move, align, and distribute content in Word with ease. Start by opening your Word document and selecting the object you want to move or align. This could be an image, a text box, a shape, or even a smart art graphic. Once the object is selected, you'll notice small sizing handles around it. These handles allow you to resize the object, but to move it freely, you'll need to adjust its text wrapping settings. To do this, right-click on the object and choose Wrap Text. You'll see several options, such as Inline with Text, Square, Tight, Behind Text, or In Front of Text. If you want to move the object anywhere on the page, select either in front of text or behind text. This unlocks free movement, allowing you to drag the object precisely where you want it. For more precise positioning, go to the Format tab at the top. Here, you'll find options like Align, Position, and Rotate. Click Align to see a variety of alignment options, including Align Left, Align Center, Align Right, Align Top, Align Middle, and Align Bottom. These options are especially useful when you're working with multiple objects and want them to line up perfectly. If you're working with more than one object, you can select multiple objects by holding down the Shift key while clicking on each one. Then, use the Align tool to distribute them evenly, either horizontally or vertically. This ensures your layout looks clean and balanced without any guesswork. Another helpful tool is the Position menu, also under the Format tab. This lets you place the object at exact positions on the page, either relative to the margin, page, or paragraph. For ultimate control, you can even use the Layout dialog box to specify exact measurements in inches or centimeters. Finally, remember that using grid lines and the Snap to Grid feature can help keep everything perfectly aligned. Go to the View tab and check Grid Lines, and make sure Snap to Grid is enabled under the Align options. This will make positioning multiple objects faster and more accurate. And that's it. With these tools, you can easily move, align, and arrange any object in Microsoft Word, giving your documents a professional and organized look. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials.